Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share creative kids study table ideas for a fun and productive study space. So welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore exciting and practical ideas for kids room decor. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the world of captivating study table designs for children. Whether you are a parent looking to revamp your child's study area or young scholar seeking inspiration, this video is packed with innovative and playful study table designs that will make learning enjoyable. Now let's see some important points. The first point which we have focused is on fun and functional designs. Discover study tables that combine functionality and aesthetics designs to encourage your child's creativity and concentration. Next, we have concentrated on vibrant color schemes. We will showcase various color schemes and themes to create an inviting and personalized study space that your kids will love. Further, we have focused on storage solutions. Learn about smart storage solutions to keep textbooks, stationery, and art supplies organized, ensuring a clutter-free environment. So, friends, these were some DIY tips and budget-friendly ideas so you can create a fantastic study table without breaking the bank. Join us in this delightful tour of kids' room study table designs and be inspired to transform your child's study area into a space where learning is both fun and productivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest room decor ideas. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.